Good morning, gardening friends. I am here at my home in Flagstaff, Arizona, and where I have a farm stand. And tomorrow I'm going to have a really big farm stand. I'm selling all kinds of things, some daylilies and honey and local eggs and all different kinds of bouquets that you can see some of, just a little variety here. But what I'm going to be selling tomorrow, and I want to show you because this is such a great tip. This is a very quick video, but I think you're really going to gain from it. Cosmos, and these are Picotee Cosmos, are a great annual flower for the garden. I grow mostly perennials, but these are one of my favorites. So I sell the seeds in the spring, and I have sold lots and lots, and then I plant some myself. And Cosmos really reseed very easily. So they come up from last year's plants, and then of course the ones that I planted this spring. Now what often happens is Cosmos come up where you don't want them, or you have too many in the little bed that you have put in, but they are so easy to transplant. And what I have here is I have one that I just pulled up this morning, and this one still has the dirt attached to it. Now you can certainly do it this way. You can pull it up. This plant will take off and grow beautifully for the rest of the summer. It's absolutely amazing. So this is one option, and of course you're just going to put this right in the ground, planting it a little bit below, because as I'm going to show you in a minute, this stem is going to root. But sometimes I'm not quite ready to move or to put the Cosmos in once I have quote unquote weeded them. So I just pull them up and I leave them in water. These Cosmos have been sitting in this bucket for about 3 weeks now. And I want to show you just what they look like. So they've got these nice big roots. They have stayed nice and green. They've been just sitting here waiting to be planted. And this one has actually, where do you see these roots? They get tangled. This one not only has its original roots, but it has rooted on this stem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant this, and my customers tomorrow will buy it. They'll just take it home in a plastic bag. They'll put it in water until they're ready to plant it. But when I plant this, I'm going to plant it kind of maybe at an angle just a little bit, so to take advantage of all these roots here that have come from the stem and also its original roots. It will be off and running in no time. Plant it down a little bit deeper, kind of in a hollow, so water will sit on it, and maybe give it some miracle grow, but it will probably, it won't even miss a beat, and it will be blooming by probably next week. I think it's a little bit bent over because it was in a bucket with so many others. So put it in, water it good, give it a good deep watering, and then check it every few days to make sure that it is not wilting. Now, if you see it wilting, all you do, and I really have very few that wilt, but you just come along and you just start taking off some of the greenery. You just cut at places where you need to, and that should take care of the wilting. After about a week, they usually don't need anything else, and you will have them all summer, and probably they will reseed. And as you can see, they make gorgeous bouquets as well as being a beautiful flower in the garden. So I want to mention I have a new gardening book, High Altitude Gardening for the Intermountain West. This has all kinds of tips on composting, microclimates, soil preparation, freezes, that kind of thing. It's a great little book, 99 cents on ebook, or available in print. And I have 80 other books. You can go to my website for other videos and all the listing of books and some blogs and other things. That's funhistorystories.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope this is a good tip and you can enjoy a Cosmos.